A snake may appear threatening when it flicks its tongue out, but it's simply trying to get a better sense of its surrounding by tasting the air. Yes, you heard right. They flicks out its tongue to pick the scent in the air. To compensate for their poor eyesight and limited hearing too, most snakes have an excellent sense of smell. Just like this, we have many other creepy reptiles in this world possessing truly amazing facts which you and I can't even think about. This is Aditi Gupta. Let's have a look on few of them. On the top of the list, we have gecko lizard. Gecko lizards are found on all the continents except Antarctica. These colorful lizards have adapted to habitats from rainforests to desert to cold mountain slopes. They are smallest reptiles of all, and being a nocturnal animal mostly active in night. Over a long period of time, gecko have developed special physical features to help them survive and avoid predators. They really have an amazing tail, which helps them to balance their weight as they climb branches. It acts as a fuel tank to store fat and as a camouflage to help them disappear into the environment. Also, gecko can also shed their tails if they caught by the predators. Next we have iguana, the vegetarian lizard found in Pacific Ocean. Iguanas are very large lizards that can live 20 or more years. The longest of iguanas is the green iguana. It grows to between 5 and 7 feet. Iguana can be rewarding and affectionate pet as they have great memory and are able to recognize their owners and families. Yeah, just like dogs, they can also be trained to eat, to sleep, and to go to the washroom for the specific places at a particular time also. You people have must aware about chameleons. Chameleons are very unique branch of the lizard group and very well known for changing its color to camouflage. Special color pigments under the skin allow them to change their skin colors. They also have an amazing eye with great eyesight which help them to see small insects up to 5 to 10 meters away almost. They have half of the world's chameleon species are found in Madagascar, an island of the east coast of Africa. One of the most aware species of reptile is crocodiles. Crocodiles are large reptiles that live in the freshwater lakes and rivers, but few of them also lives in small salt water as well. They appeared at the time when dinosaurs appeared and living on the earth from 240 million years. This reptile carries its young ones in its big toothed mouth without hurting them. One of the expression is very much famous regarding crocodiles. What is it? It is saying that cry crocodile tears, which is actually on the true facts. Yeah, it is actually, the saying is actually on the true fact, that is that crocodiles produces tears when they eat. Then crocodile produces tears. No, definitely they don't cry as they feel sorry for the prey, but because they swallow large quantities of air while eating, that affects their tear glands and make them cry and generate tears. So we have next anaconda. It is also a special reptile which is the largest and heaviest known snakes. The snakes that grow up to almost 10 meters long, which is the maximum verified length of it. They like to be in or near water, and they are excellent swimmers as well. They kill its prey by coiling its muscular body around the creature and squeezing until animal can no longer breathe. So this is how anaconda kills a person. Everybody have heard about pythons. Pythons are non-venomous snakes found in Asia, Africa and Australia. They can live its normal even though it may feed only once in a year. They can live without eating for a year even also. One of the longest known python species is reticulate python. Horned lizard. Horned lizards are named for the crown of the horns found on their heads. These reptiles can squirt a jet of blood from the eyes as far as 1 meter to scare its enemy. Yeah, they actually squirt some blood from the eyes to scare their enemies. They are really a great predators. So these were some creepy reptiles which are amazing and possesses many more interesting facts that must be something for another time. Till the time, keep learning and stay safe.